Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're talking about PENDLE Crypto. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well. And if you want to get notified about videos, make sure to smash that bell notification icon. We're dropping videos every single day on the channel, so you're going to want to get notified so you can hit your crypto goals. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. Grab it while it's free. It is my gift to you. It will not be free forever. So grab your copy in the description below while you can. So PENDLE Finance has been creating a lot of hype in the crypto and decentralized finance world throughout the course of 2024, and for very good reason. It's been performing extremely well and has been outperforming a lot of the rest of the market. But what is PENDLE Finance? Well, essentially, it is a liquid staking derivative protocol operating within the decentralized finance space. And again, what you can do with PENDLE Finance is basically you can take your wrapped staked ETH and the staked ETH tokens that you get from other protocols like Lido Finance or Aave, and you can come over and restake those on PENDLE. So for example, if you go to the likes of Aave or Lido, you can basically use those protocols to stake your Ethereum and earn a yield on that. But when you do that, you have to basically deposit your Ethereum into Lido or into Aave. So when you deposit your Ethereum, let's say you deposit 100 Ethereum into Lido Finance to earn and stake your Ethereum, what Lido gives you is wrapped staked ETH, which is a wrapped version of that ETH token that basically says, yes, we've taken your 100 Ethereum, but here is 100 wrapped staked ETH, so that we know when the smart contract expires or when you want to withdraw your Ethereum, you will just give us back the wrapped staked ETH. So what you could do in order to earn extra yield on the wrapped staked ETH that Lido have just given you is you can come over to PENDLE Finance and you can actually restake your wrapped staked ETH to earn an additional 3.94% fixed yield per year. So basically, it's giving you the opportunity to essentially double the yield or double the amount of capital you can earn from your Ethereum by coming over and restaking your wrapped staked ETH. And again, ETH is the simple example here, but if we launch the PENDLE application, you can see that they've got a whole bunch of different markets, pools, and ways that you can stake your wrapped tokens in order to earn additional yield. So again, if you're using EtherFi, you're going to get EETH. You can come over to PENDLE, restake your EETH, and earn additional yield. So again, very powerful what we're seeing here in the world of decentralized finance. And what PENDLE is doing is creating the most efficient and easy way for you to continue to earn additional yield on the likes of your wrapped staked ETH. So again, we can come into pools here and we can look at all the different pools that are available for us to restake our capital and our wrapped tokens. So again, all you have to do is use PENDLE in conjunction with your wallet. So you can connect your wallet like any other traditional decentralized application, connect your MetaMask, your Coinbase wallet, or whatever wallet you're using to house that wrapped token. And then you can come over and essentially deposit your wrapped staked ETH or your EETH or your WEETH, and then you can earn that additional yield. So a very simple protocol, but a very effective way to be able to earn additional yield on the assets that you're already holding as part of your portfolio. And as we mentioned, PENDLE has been having a very strong year in 2024 thus far. If we come over to DeFi Llama, and if we zoom out to look at the entire decentralized finance landscape in terms of total value locked, we can now see that PENDLE is the 6th largest protocol in the entire DeFi space, with a TVL of just under $6.5 billion US dollars. Again, if we click into PENDLE and we begin to look at how much that yield and capital has grown, we can see a very, very sharp uptrend here since the beginning of 2024 in terms of total value locked on the PENDLE Finance protocol. Again, we went from, less about $250 million US in January to now up over $6.4 billion as of today here in the middle to end of June 2024. So huge amounts of growth happening here on Pendle, and basically given the fact that they're making it so easy for you to earn additional capital on your yield, if we just jump back over to the protocols or to the DeFi overview with Lido Finance, Lido is the clear leader here in terms of overall TVL. There's over 33 billion, but a significant portion of the people who are doing liquid staking on Lido are now realizing that they can earn additional yield on the wrapped stake tokens by bringing over those wrapped stake tokens to Pendle and earning that additional capital. So that's why we've seen such huge growth with Pendle over the past couple of months, and Pendle's underlying token has been performing extremely well as a result. If we check out the chart here, what we're looking at is Pendle to USDT here, and again, you can see that price consolidation throughout the second half of 2023 when it initially launched. We weren't really doing much. We were basically consolidating here for the entire course of that second half of 2023 before really breaking out to the upside here at the beginning of 2024, very much in line with all of that activity happening on the protocol, with billions and billions of dollars flowing in from people wanting to earn that extra yield. So we saw huge movements to the upside since the beginning of 2024. We saw that price go from about $1.19 all the way up to its peak of about $7.49. But we're currently sitting at a price of just under $6. And again, if you were purchasing Pendle here at the end of 2023, beginning of 2024, you would still be up basically 400% on your investment if you were purchasing just a few months ago in this kind of December, January timeframe. So again, the entire landscape of decentralized finance is becoming more sophisticated. The protocols that we're looking at and that are, proving themselves to be reliable investment vehicles for restaking and liquid staking are outperforming the rest of the market. And again, Pendle is one of those tokens that has been an outlier and has been outperforming most of the rest of the market throughout the course of the past 6 months. And if we jump over to this other chart, this is actually Pendle versus Bitcoin. So the previous chart was Pendle to USDT. This is Pendle versus Bitcoin. And again, we can see how Pendle has been significantly outperforming Bitcoin for the course of 2024 thus far as well. We know that Bitcoin itself is up about 150%, roughly speaking, since about a year ago. And with tokens like Pendle outperforming Bitcoin for the period of 2024 so far, it's one of those protocols that has been performing better than most of the rest of the market and significantly better than Bitcoin. We can see a very clear uptrend here with how the price has been moving. Of course, we've had some choppiness along the way, but still a very clear upwards trend with how Pendle has been outperforming Bitcoin itself. So that is a quick overview about Pendle Finance. Lots of exciting stuff being done with their protocol. Okay guys, very briefly, I want to tell you about the sponsor of today's video, which is EchoPay. EchoPay and the team are making it super easy and extremely seamless for you to purchase all of your favorite EVM crypto coins and meme coins on the blockchain. All you need to do is head over to echopay.xyz. You can open up their application and sign in with a Google account or similar. They've built in this extremely simple to use interface with single sign-on. And as you can see, you can simply sign in with an existing Gmail or Google account and use their platform to select and purchase your favorite meme coins. For example, they've got Pepe, they've got Brett, they've got Boop, they've got a bunch of other meme coins to select from. And again, if you filter by DeFi, they've got some of the most popular DeFi tokens like Uniswap, Chainlink, Lido, Avo, the Graph token, and even Pendle, which has been one of the biggest performers this year so far as well. So give EchoPay a try, guys. I'm going to be talking with the founder of EchoPay on the channel as well. These guys are building something super cool, creating a very simple interface for you to interact and purchase your favorite cryptos. Head over to app.echopay.xyz. You can grab the link in the description below. I'm going to leave a link to make it super easy for you guys to jump over here check it out, create an account, and purchase your first tokens. It is super easy, and I'm super excited to be partnering with these guys. A very genuine group of people, a great team behind the project, and you guys can check it out for yourselves. And again, with the evolution of everything happening in decentralized finance, we're seeing a huge uptick in capital flowing into DeFi since the end of 2023 and beginning of 2024. Again, these DeFi protocols are more sophisticated and more advanced than they were this time 3-4 years ago at the end of 2021. And over the course of the next 12 to 18 months, we would anticipate a lot more capital beginning to flow into the decentralized finance space. And, we peaked out here somewhere around 180, 190 billion in terms of overall TVL in DeFi in the previous bull cycle. We would definitely be expecting to go above and beyond that by the time we reach the peak of this bull cycle, potentially going above 250, maybe even 300 billion in terms of overall TVL. And again, if Pendle is able to maintain its position here as the 6th largest protocol in the overall decentralized finance space, it's been doing a very good job of moving up this chart over the past few months, getting to over 6.48 billion at TVL. If it can maintain that position, it is definitely going to be a benefactor of the entire market moving up as a result of more capital flowing into crypto in general, more capital flowing into Ethereum. We know the Ethereum spot ETFs have been approved and will begin trading in the next couple of months. So when that happens, I don't know if they're going to be as popular or if we're going to see as much capital flowing into Ethereum as we did with the Bitcoin ETFs. But as that grows over time, we're going to be seeing more and more capital flowing into Ethereum. And the downstream effect of that is more capital flowing into decentralized finance and more capital flowing into these top protocols in DeFi as a result. So again, if you were a bag holder of Pendle since the latter half of 2023, well done to you, because you're going to be up significantly in terms of your return on investment. Pendle has been one of the best performing tokens of 2024 thus far and continues to put in higher highs and is on a very, very healthy upwards price trajectory. So well done to you if you're a holder. Let us know in the comments below, are you bullish on Pendle Finance? Where do you think Pendle is going within the DeFi ecosystem as a whole? Are you holding Pendle as part of your own bull run portfolio? Drop us a comment below and let us know. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below. Hit that subscribe button as well if you enjoyed the video. And if you want to get notified, smash that bell notification icon. We're dropping videos almost every single day on the channel, so you're going to want to get notified. And don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. Grab it while it's free. As I said, it's my gift to you. And as always, we will catch you in the next one.